Jachung mar weche dongruok mar riwruok pinje Afrika AU Raila Odinga onyiso pinje momewo ma kembe gigolo iro mathoth maketho kor lwasi mondo chop singo mar omenda mane giketo lokruok kod chal mar kor lwasi. Raila wacho ni pinje Afrika oketo chenro mag chuogo teko sitima ma oketh kor lwasi kaka ondamo mar kedo gi midhiero ma okel lokruok mar kor lwasi. Raila bende kwa jotend pinje Afrika mondo ked kod mibadhi momako pinje Afrika kowacho ni mano emanyalo jiwo joket mwandu e jolo pinje Afrika kendo kedo kod kethruok mar kor lwasi.
Let us move forward because time is limited.
We have about 30% of our electricity.
Our disappointment has been that these forums, which are now almost annual, are becoming more like talking shops, and that there's very little in terms of follow-up to commitment made. And that is what we want to see change. That really is what our position is at this conference. Corruption basically diverts funds meant for development into private people's pockets and scares away the private sector from investing. And that's the reason why all African governments must address this animal called corruption head-on. If we do this, then we will be able to attract more private sector investment into our country. So it's China, which is more of a controlled economy, is attracting much more private sector investment. Well, because corruption